Shiv Vishwanathan, is there a lack of restraint on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party? Because we've seen some of the promises that they've already toned down in the recent past. But today, when Arvind Kejriwal says, you know, we're going to give out a helpline number. If anyone offers you a bribe, you just call up this number. We're going to go and catch him red-handed. It's the job of the police. If the Chief Minister starts doing it, what's the police going to do?
Really desire.
I think you've got to differentiate between two kinds of things. Certain kinds of political promises made about corruption and controlling corruption, and the logic of policy. I think Arvind is speaking at two levels. At one level, he's talking about the promises of his party. Two, he's talking about an articulation of policy. I see tremendous restraint in what Arvind is doing. This is a euphoric movement. But if you look at it, his tone was balanced, respectful. He evoked a genealogy, and I think in a deep and fundamental way, the message he conveyed was of constructive activity.
Shiv Vishwanathan, do you think that the momentum that the BJP had managed to get in the run-up to 2014 elections is being lost now, something that the BJP also is realizing? Here you have a secular alternative for anyone who's disillusioned of the Congress. You have the Aam Aadmi Party. They need not go to the BJP.
It's more than a secular alternative. There's a difference in style, there's a difference in substance. Of course, it has to be scaled up. Sudhanshu Mittal has made that point. But I think some things have to be seen. I think they're down to basics. They're looking at education, water, electricity. They're looking at the whole idea of governance in terms of how to handle corruption, the everydayness of governance. I think in this context, I think what you're seeing is a brilliant opening. If this were a chess game, I think Arvind Kejriwal is playing a brilliant white.
And it's also very interesting how when Narendra Modi initially spoke about small government, actually Arvind Kejriwal has done that. Here you have the Chief Minister, or as he likes to call himself, Chief Server, and a small cabinet, 6 of them. Shiv Vishwanathan.
May I? Yeah. See, I think look at the key word he used. The idea of seva. I think the idea of service. That is, to a certain extent, the cabinet is dedicated to the people. The idea of seva as service is something the national movement and our civilization has evoked. I think the key word is seva. Service which prevents arrogance, service which guarantees delivery, service which makes you stick to your promise regardless of the obstacles.
Sudhanshu Mittal, you wanted to rebut.
Brilliant movement.